Hello, how's it going? Welcome back to another video from North Coast Workshop. Today's video is a really quick kind of spare moment video, just that it has a spare 10 minutes, so I thought I'd record this about a item called C4 that I bought about 5-6 months ago for my car. It's just to bring back the life to the dull plastic trim on my bonnet on the Seat Leon. Anyone's got a Seat Leon, there's a black plastic piece of trim at the top of the bonnet just before the windscreen that tends to fade over time, and a lot of people decide to either wrap it or they sand it flat and then respray it so it's like a gloss black. I decided to buy this stuff instead to see if I could apply it and to see if it kind of bring back the colour to the plastic, which it has. It's lasted about 4 or 5 months now, repels water really well, and it still looks kind of fresh and dark glossy black. So today's video, what we're going to do is apply it to my wife's car. Hold on 2 seconds while I found. So yeah, Jen just hiding at the back behind my wife's car, or Quasimodo as I like to call it. That's the car, not the wife, by the way, before I get any complaints. The bumper trim around the bottom there, what we'll do is we'll give it a quick wash, just the bumper. I'm not going to wash the whole car. We'll give it a quick wash. You're meant to make sure these trims are extremely clean, so any all-purpose cleaner or citrus wash you can use to clean the trim. And once it's all clean and dry, we'll apply it and we'll do a wee before and after shot. So let's get started. Comparison side by side won't be the same without a bit of masking tape to show the difference, and that's what I see in videos when I watch them. Yeah, so the C4, it doesn't look very much that you get. This cost about £20 I think on Amazon I got it from, but a lot goes a long way, so don't be splashing this on. Pop it on the wee applicators, they're like wee cotton pads you get inside the box. Pop a few dabs on, just so it's a little bit damp, but don't splash on loads, you don't want it wringing wet. And then you just rub it into the surface. It'll start to evaporate pretty much straight away. It should leave the effect behind as it evaporates. And you can see that that few drops is going for ages, so yeah, you don't need that much at all. Remember, the key to applying this is to make sure that the plastic is bone dry, obviously, after washing it, but when you do wash it, that you wash it thoroughly. Okay, we'll let that evaporate properly and come back in a few minutes and see what like. Okay, so that should be enough time. Pull off this. Some has leaked under the masking tape, that always happens. Yeah, hope that camera is showing the difference between the two of them. Yeah, straight away you're seeing how much darker this is from this. And this is still a bit damp just now, so you don't want to start running water over it or washing any more of the car. This is the last stage before you leave the car to dry properly. So yeah, that's video done. Really was that easy and straightforward. Didn't take me long to film at all, and you saw the effects. Really effective, works really well. I'll leave a link down below for that stuff and a wee screenshot where I got it from on Amazon. But yeah, give it a try. If you've got if you've got Mark II Leon and you've got the scuttle panel starting to fade, and maybe you don't want to invest in money or time trying to get it resprayed gloss black or trim it with vinyl trim, then give this stuff a try. Lasts for ages, the effects, and also the bottle lasts for ages. Even though it's that small, it will last for years. It's honestly that good. And before I get any hate for calling the Kadjar Quasimodo. I love that car to bits. It's really been a very reliable family car. So yeah, I'm just joking. Just compared to the looks of the Mark II Leon, I'd say it's kind of not as pretty, so that's my biased opinion possibly. But yeah, I'm just joking with the Quasimodo crack. That's just me trying to be a bit cheeky towards the wife's car. So anyway, thanks all for watching. Hope you found it useful. If you did, remember to click the thumbs up button down below just to say you liked the video, and hit subscribe for similar content like this in the future, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers.